The Trego County Sheriff's Office is activating an Amber Alert for the following counties: Trego, Ellis, and Rush, Kansas. The Trego County Sheriff's Offices are looking for Briella Zednick. She is a 15-year-old white female, 5 feet 11 inches tall, 110 pounds, with blonde hair and green eyes. Last seen wearing a purple tank top with blue denim jeans, and white sneakers. She also is wearing a gray cap, black glasses, and golden arms cuffs around her upper right arm. Authorities say the child may be in the company of her father, Kellen Zednick, a 44-year-old white male. They may be traveling in a 1999 dark green Toyota RAV4, with Kansas license plate 2148HGR. The vehicle has an unknown sticker on the left of the rear window. If seen, call 911.